This is my real credit score, not a fake. 768. Let me share with you my story of how I got here. About a year ago, I hit a wall. So my credit score was sitting at a 580, and every lender I talked to basically told me the same thing, which was to come back later. My wife and I had already picked out some neighborhoods to go to and look at some houses. I mean, we even planned where we wanted some of the kids' rooms to be. But none of that mattered because on paper, I wasn't loan worthy. And the frustrating part, it wasn't one big mistake. It was a pile of small ones over time. Old collections, later payments from when work slowed down, a repo from years back, and accounts reporting balances that didn't even look right anymore. So every time I tried fixing it myself, I felt like I was stuck in paperwork hell, arguing with bureaus and collectors who barely responded. It was the same thing over and over again. So after another mortgage denial, I finally accepted I needed help and started researching credit repair companies. And that's when I kept seeing people talk about credit repair dudes, mainly through Reddit threads and some other Facebook groups, but it would be random conversations where people were actually sharing real results, not just ads. So I gave them a shot. From the first call, they didn't sugarcoat anything. They didn't promise miracles or overnight fees. They actually walked me through what was realistic and what could be challenged and what would simply take time. And that honesty honestly surprised me. So then the work started, and month after month, items started getting corrected or removed. Duplicate collections disappeared. And a crazy thing, incorrect balances got fixed. Old accounts that couldn't be verified got deleted. They basically kept me updated and explained what was happening instead of leaving me guessing. Around month 4, my score crossed 650. That's right. That's when things started to feel real again. And by month 6, I was in the low 700s. Mortgage brokers who ignored me before were suddenly returning calls. Rates looked better. Options finally started to open up. And eventually, my score hit what it's now today, 768. A number I honestly never thought I'd see next to my name. So a few weeks later, we closed on our home that we currently live at. Walking into that house with the keys in my hand felt surreal. Not just because we got the home, but because it felt like I fixed a part of my life that had been hanging over me for years. What I appreciated most was that they were upfront the whole time, no hype, no pressure. They were just consistent, and the work was realistic expectations. So yeah, if someone asked me whether I'd recommend them, absolutely. Because sometimes you don't need promises. You just need people who actually get the job done.